hate you like I'm young. Any bitch that talk to him and they in love. He around, certified mega boy.
23 model Y, we're gonna do an amp job. In the trunk. On the passenger side, there is a subwoofer. We're gonna get through it. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this pillar right there. First thing we're gonna do is to remove this. That comes off. You gotta remove this gasket here. Okay. Remove that. Okay, the second part we're gonna remove is this part here. Wait, you gotta remove it. Let's pull out all the boxes and stuff. So we're gonna remove this back. Remove that. So this pops out. Okay, after that, we're gonna remove this clip right here. And we're gonna go to the passenger side. Okay, this is the rear seat. You're gonna pop this out. It comes up. Be careful, there are cables up there. Don't interrupt the passenger side. There's a power jump right there. That's a high voltage. You do not want to touch that. Our power line is right here. On this, under my finger, there's a red connection right there. That's the low 12 volt connection. So we're gonna add power connection right there with the fuse to get to the subwoofer. We're gonna have to remove this side panel, and that's where the amp is on the in the back. Once you remove that, this comes out. Clip right there, gotta remove. Sure. Well, you're gonna need a wiring, you're gonna need a dash kit, antenna dock and stuff. About 350-ish and up. Monday through Saturday. Thank you. Alright, bye-bye. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, this is factory amplifier. Obviously, that's the factory sub. So you can interrupt this signal from here. That's the sub. Or you can do it from underneath. Same connection. There are twisted pair here for the sub, which is the same wire, right? One's here. So you got brown, purple, and burgundy green. Those are the sub. They are twisted pair. This is a sub. The brown, purple. It's a dual voice coil. So you can grab either from here, high to low on it, with the amp turn on, or you can grab it here. This is the high to low we use. That actually has amp turn on built into it. So when the radio's on, it powers up the blue amp turn on. So you can use this one as the amp turn on and off lead. The red and black goes to power and ground, and these are the speaker inputs. We are going to use a 4-gauge amp kit. This is a Kicker CXA 1200.1, which is a monoblock amp for the bass. Okay, the speaker wires, which is the same as here. The green is positive. It's a dual voice coil, obviously. There's 2 or 4 speaker wires there. So one side coil, the green is plus, red is minus. And the second one, the purple is plus, brown is minus. So under the seat, that's the main 12 volt coming in from under the hood all the way out here. So we're gonna put fuse right there and a fuse holder. Make sure you fuse it. Anytime you tap onto any power line on the car side, you gotta fuse it. And we're gonna run this back to where the little pouch is. We're gonna put the amplifier down here.
Yep. Smart, bro. Sometimes.
On him, say Drake. I hate you like I'm young. Any bitch that talk to him and they in love, he around.